I've uploaded over 200 videos on this channel and most of them barely got any views. But those 200 videos taught me lessons I wish I knew when I started. If you're under 1000 subscribers, this video might just change how you approach YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkechi and I hope you're having a great day. Let's get right into the video. I'm not sharing hype. I'm sharing the mindset shifts and the done is better than perfect system that turned my frustration into a foundation. Let's be honest, the mindset shift that changed everything for me. I used to wait for perfect lightning, perfect editing, perfect word, perfect setup. And waiting didn't teach me anything. I once spent weeks polishing videos that got just 12 views. That video wasn't a failure, it was a setback. You don't improve by planning forever. You improve by posting. Even if your video is messy, even if you cringe later, your 10th video exists because your first video was bad. A lot of small creators think confidence comes first. It doesn't. Confidence comes after repetitions. I used to watch tutorials for hours thinking that was work. No, it wasn't. The real work starts when you hit a record. Now to the 1K subscribers meet. Small YouTubers treat 1000 subscribers like it's a finish line. And let me be honest with you here. I haven't hit 1000 subscribers yet. But I have a faceless channel that right now is sitting at 961 subscribers as at the time of recording this video. And I still don't have a clue on what system I'm going to sustain that channel with. That's why I stopped asking, how do I get to 1000 subscribers? I started asking, what kind of creator do I need to be before I get there? Because I've seen a lot of small YouTubers hit 1000 subscribers, they celebrate and then they disappear. Not because they are lazy, but because they had no system. By system, I mean an editing workflow that saves you time, a thumbnail template, a content plan, a clear niche understanding of who you're talking to. If you grow without system, growth become pressure. This under 1K phase right now, this is the foundation season. I don't want to hit 1000 subscribers and panic. I want to hit it prepared. Strategy almost made me quit. Mindset alone is not enough. Posting every day is not consistency if you are exhausted. Consistency means sticking to one clear plan long enough to collect data. Your first 10 videos might get 0 views, and that's normal. But changing niche because nothing went viral, that's not strategy at all. That's panic. I know this because I did it. There's too many advice on YouTube. You must post shorts every day, you must post consistently for 90 days. But if your shorts are not reaching, if your videos are not reaching your real audience, they are not helping you. They are distracting you. They are frustrating you. I almost ruined my channel chasing trends that had nothing to do with my message. Clarity beats noise every time. Low views, they feel personal, but they are not. They just mean that the algorithm is still learning who your content is for. Your job is to keep sending clear signals. YouTube will eventually connect your video with the right audience. Now, let's talk about skills. This part hurts my ego. My first 100 videos, they were terrible, terrible pacing, too many ums, too many rambling. I had to learn in public. Cut faster, speak clearer, get to the point quicker. Obsessing over editing made me so inconsistent. That's why in my upcoming video, I'll be having minimal editing. When I say done is better than perfect, I don't mean quality doesn't matter. I mean stop letting small details delay your meaningful message. If the audio is clear, if the value is strong, upload it. As a small creator, views and likes means a lot for small creators like myself. I understand that feeling, but value is what builds community. Now, I ask myself this question before uploading. Does this video solve a problem? Random videos don't build growth. Valuable videos become your assets in the future. I stopped trying to look perfect. I started experimenting. That's why some of you in my previous live stream, you see, I made videos from my kitchen, just being myself in my very local kitchen. And surprisingly, there were over 1.2K people watching me just by being myself. And that's to prove to you that the relatable videos, authentic videos, they sell on YouTube, especially in 2026. I told myself I'll stop trying to look perfect. I'm experimenting right now with new hooks, new thumbnail, uncomfortable ideas. Some failed in the beginning, some worked too, but every test made me better. I also stopped ending my video with thanks for watching. That tells people to just click away because you're done, they're done listening. You don't have anything else for them. Now, I guide them to the next video that solves their problems. That's small change, big difference. If growth feels slow for you right now, hear me. This may be coming from someone who's not grown on YouTube or who barely gets up to 200 views in her long form video. But let me tell you, you are not alone. You are not broken either. You're just early. Focus on posting, focus on improving, focus on system. Don't focus on perfection. Let me be honest with you. Even when your mindset is very strong, editing can still slow you down. Cutting out all the silence, removing mistakes, fixing paces, it can take hours. Been there. Why in my next video, I'll show you this AI that can help you automatically remove filler words and all the unnecessary repetitions and pauses in your video. Not so you can be lazy, but so you can stay consistent. I'm trying to make you stop making the same mistake that I made as a small creator. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe right now and put on your notification so that when I upload that video, you'll be the first person to get notified. And because I believe that that video will help you a lot. I'll see you soon.